Hello, welcome. Question number 26. We have a BECE 2025 section A. If 2y equals to 5 minus 3x, we have to find x when y is given as 1. So we can do direct substitution and find the x, or make x the subject and then substitute the y into it. So I'm going to have my 2y equals to 5 minus 3x. I can decide to make x the subject. So if I transfer or transpose the negative x, 3x here, it becomes positive at the right. So I have 3x now equals to 5 is at the right already. I'm bringing in positive 2y to become negative what? 2y. But it is the x we are looking for. So we have x equals to 5 minus what? 2y divided by what? 3. So we say that when y equals to 1, x will still be equals to 5 minus 2 times 1 divided by what? 3. This will give you 5 minus 2 over 3. This will give you 3 over 3. So x will also be equal to what? 1. So the value of x is 1. Let's check and see. We have 1 there, and this is also going to be the option what? D. This is not the only way. We can also put in the y as 1, meaning 2 equals to 5 minus 3x. When the 3x goes there, 2 come and subtract. So 3 divided by 3, you get the same answer.